decided to show up. Bam. The fitment in the rear. Look at how deep these wheels are.
Aired out, boys.
Where you been?
Working. Tired.
I haven't seen this car here for like a year.
For a minute. What happened right here?
My dad freaking hit something. Damn, you need headlights. That's the one thing I never got to do. Is headlights.
Oh no, we got Osman on the way. We need headlights, Os.
Mm-hmm.
I need some headlights right off.
Sheesh. Alright, well, we'll see if CJ comes. He has headlight issues. We're gonna. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and we're probably gonna change the bulb. You have a bulb for this?
I do not. I was gonna ask you what kind of bulbs is it?
I might have one. We'll see if it fits the same ones as the third gens. Well, we're gonna probably pull off the bumper.
You have to do all that?
Well, what side is it? Well, pop your hood. Let's see. I think one side might be easier, but it's still a pain in the ass to do it because. Yeah, then we take the bumper off, and we're gonna do all this. We'll be right back.
The battery's dying. Alright guys, we're back with Demi. We're gonna do the headlight. I thought it was just gonna be a simple bulb, but gotta take the whole bumper off, I guess. If I can. But yeah, we're back. Welcome back to the channel. We bought the 4th gen, cashing out. The camera's hella dirty. There we go. That's a lot. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a lot better. Enhance on the slurp. What is that? Boba in a fucking
Boba.
in a can? Do the balls come out of there too?
I hope not. I don't want no balls in here. Plastic's coming off. 2 bolts on the side, fender liner. We're gonna get this done in 30 minutes. I got it.
Hey, fuck no, not 30 minutes.
Jose got the headlight off. You can see. Obviously, we gotta do a lot more work than just reach our hand in there. This is an old one. This thing is like
It is cooked.
Cooked. This ballast looks crispy, but we're gonna see if it works. If not, I might have another igniter. And then if we have another igniter, we'll be fine. But I have found this bulb. We'll see if this one works. This one looks fine. So we're gonna go test it out.
No.
Still on. Well, the high beam you can't tell until like we put it in, cause it's the actual projector that switches your high beam.
Okay.
But yeah, this is on. We got this working. We're gonna go ahead and put it all back together. New bulb in. Then we got CJ here.
We got CJ.
I don't know. CJ's headlights free. Damn, the headlights are me.
Get up the street. No. Never been in a house before. Apartment has dogs. Look at the pictures. Oh, Mariah, come get your shit back.
Go refill it. Dog abuse.
Yeah,
Okay. Look at that. 4th gen. 4th gen. 3rd gen. Silver.
ASN. Alabaster. Metallic silver. Alabaster gang, huh?
Yep. Yep.
Hey, get the fuck over here.
Bastard gang. Bastard gang?
Bastard gang. Come here.
You get a scrape? Oh, no, you did it. Yeah, those dogs eat dogs, so.
They're all pit bulls. They're all pit bulls. Bigger than you. You see them? All pit bulls.
We've been waiting for this collab forever.
No. Come here, bro. Come here.
Light up the mirrors.
Sit down. Air out. Air out on them bitches.
Switches for the bitches.
On a whole bitch.
Now let's look at the rear end on this thing.
Look at the rear end.
Can't go wrong with a 4th gen. 4 gens are nice when you fix them up. Bone stock, not too much, but.
You said they're ugly when they're stock.
Yeah, you need the full look kit to get this that spice it needs.
The money's at right here.
We didn't show this one, but we put a clutch in it. If you guys want to see that kind of content, let me know. But I just did it real quick on the lift.
Hey, it does sound good.
Yeah, we're gonna do a rev real quick before he shuts it off. One last time. Rev it. All right, we're gonna be changing out this exhaust. This is the rare Gretty Evo exhaust. We're gonna be putting the Type S OEM1 back on. Very simple install today. All right, lift it up. We'll take it off. So much easier. What do you think about the lift so far?
It's a lot better than being on the fucking ground, I'll tell you that.
Sounds easy. So that one's already basically getting ready to bolt up. We're gonna spray these with penetrating oil, the rubber bushings. We're gonna get this other one in, and then this will be good to go. Like literally, this probably takes quick on a lift.
We're gonna be putting this on there?
On the bushings, on the hole, yeah, we're gonna spray.
Penetrating oil? Oh yeah.
Once we do that, we're golden. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maybe put a wood under here so that way.
Oh yeah, because you gotta get it out, huh?
So we gotta put a jack on.
Jack off, jack
Too hombre. Alright, so go ahead and raise it up a little bit. More. Okay, now pull down that thing the whole time. Yep. And then just hit that lever. Oh, you do it right. Go up.
Oh, no.
Okay. Hold down the lever as hard as you can. And then, yeah, all the way. You feel this lever like shift once you get towards the bottom, and then you have to hold it on. You literally feel like you won't feel it.
You'll feel it pull, I guess. This is the first time I use a mess. What are you doing?
Can you see me?
Yeah, I see you. I was like, what are you doing? Oh, I felt this shit.
Now you don't have to hold it no more.
Let me know when to stop.
All the way.
Why is it hard? So this is the hardest time to take off?
Like it can't move?
Yeah.
This one needs to be lifted up.
I lifted it up.
Oh shit. That one too? No, yeah.
Negative. This one comes out. That one again. Hold on.
It's just because it's on. Thinking with your dipstick. There you go.
This guy.
Between the Type S exhaust and the regular.
Yeah, now he went back to factory. So we're gonna, I guess, you wanna get in there, we'll back it out and we'll hear it.
We'll hear the revs. With the
Oh. Yeah,
back
because
out.
you're gonna back it off of it. The Fortune never been on here.
The Fortune's never been on here?
Nah.
That you know.
Go. That's good for there. Rev it. Back to stock. You can't even hear nothing. We're gonna load them up and then we're done here.